Hey, July 19th, 2021. This is Monday, around lunchtime, overcast, high 70s. And I'm stealing an unboxing process from one of the people I am subscribed to, one of the channels I subscribe to. She does a very good job of unboxing and showing the unboxing of the product. So I'm going to do a product review of a SSD external drive, 2 terabyte SanDisk, that is the version 3, the 2000 megabyte a second one. And so I am getting so much video, I've got to have fast, high storage capacity. So I'm going to open this up and get into it. Hey, before we get into it too far, it says 2 terabyte, 2000 read, 2000 write speed, it says. I have bought these at Walmart, and you have to be very careful even in the sealed packages. I got one and took it home, and once I opened it up, I noticed that little tape had been sliced. Once I got into it, the adapter was missing. So you have to pay attention to these things. So I'll show you what comes in the box. We'll go ahead and open that, we'll cut that seal and open it up, and you can see what's inside the box. Okay, with the updated hard drive, they've also updated the cables. That is a USB-C to C. That'll fit in the bottom of the drive. This is a USB-C to plain computer USB. Now before, what they had was another little connector that connected, that let you connect these two, but it's just a little short thing. You didn't get two complete cables. So they've upgraded that. You got the instructions and the warning labels and all that stuff, of course, and then the box and the little container. Now you can buy hard packs for these. I've seen them, but I haven't needed them. I started buying 500 gigabyte at 500 megabytes a second and migrated to the 1 gigabyte at 500 megabytes per second. Then went to the 1 terabyte. Yeah, I don't know if I said gigabytes, but 1 terabyte to 1,000. And then the last one I got was the 2 terabyte to 1,000, and now I've had to go to this 2 terabyte to 2,000. My computer won't transfer that fast, but I'm going to have to upgrade computers and stuff too, so I will be getting something that will transfer it. I'll be able to access those speeds with whatever I upgrade to. Yeah, this way I'll be able to connect my phone or my tablet. Both of them are USB-Cs. I'll be able to connect those directly to the hard drive instead of having to connect them to the computer and then the hard drive, or download it and switch it over. And you can also then just plug this into your normal USB on the computer, plug it into my phone, USB-C, and download the files to the computer. I think I'll be downloading them to the to the hard drive and working off the hard drive instead of sending them straight to the computer and working off of it. But we'll see. We'll experiment some with both of them. And that'll wrap that up for today. This product review of the SanDisk 2 terabyte, 2000 megabyte a second external hard drive. So far they've been very durable and function very well for me.